Now, your Storm Team 18 forecast. Weather from where you live.
Well, how can we have drizzle when it's 20 degrees? It all has to do with what's called the snow growth zone. If you're going to get flakes, crystals of snow, temperature's got to be -10 to -20 up in the atmosphere, and it's got to be saturated. You have some form of lift to make those crystals. And once one crystal forms, that acts as nuclei for other crystals to form upon it. So you've got to somehow get small crystals to form, and then they grow if you've got lift and you got the moisture and the temperature is just right at -10 to -20 Celsius. Now, if you look at a cross section of our lower atmosphere this evening, again, here we're at ground level, 5,000 feet towards like 12,000 feet, and on we go. Right here is between -10 and -20, but look what happens. The red and blue lines are separated. That tells me that's dry air. If they're on top of each other, we're saturated. Where's the saturation? It's very close to the ground. So it's too dry to make crystals in the snow growth zone. Here near the ground, all of the saturation is within a few thousand feet. So we're able to actually get some drizzle to the ground, but some of it's freezing into these little snow grains. So it's a mixture of freezing, drizzle, and snow grains right now rather than being able to get crystals, to get flakes. We just can't make any flakes right now. That said, tonight we have some of that around for part of the night. Then we have some patchy freezing fog or areas of freezing fog that burn off tomorrow. Otherwise, it's a mostly cloudy day. We've got a 26-degree high, but it gets windy late in the day. Wind chills low to mid-teens and highs 22 to 27. The overall wind chills, though, near 10 to the mid-teens. On Wednesday, the meltdown is underway. A little patchy freezing fog early in the morning. Otherwise, it's just a windy and warmer day with a high of 44, mostly cloudy, but gusts 35 to 43 miles an hour. So a lot of wind on Wednesday. 38 Winnemac, 44 at Attica, and over towards Pine Village, 42 Fowler and 42 at Rusheville and Kokomo. So after any light wintry mess tonight, a lot of clouds tomorrow night, a lot of clouds on Wednesday, warming up, and then by Thursday, some patchy drizzle and patchy light rain begin to come in from the southwest, and by Friday, some rain around, but the rain slowly tapers by Saturday morning, and then another wave of rain comes in Saturday, late Saturday night, and some additional rain early next week. This could be some pretty heavy rain coming in by Tuesday, so you get the idea. A wet weather pattern is ahead, and I'll tell you, we're going to get easily 1.5 inches of rainfall out of all that rain, and some places will get up to 2. So let's dig into this. First of all, the 3-day, breezy to windy tomorrow, 26, 44 on Wednesday, windy, some patchy rain and windy on Thursday, but 55 for the high. We're only 49 Thursday night. Periodic rain and windy on Friday with a high of 56 on Saturday. Rainy weather, windy for New Year's Eve, 54 for the high, only 52 on Saturday morning. Sunday, patchy rain, windy, but temperatures falling into the 30s in the afternoon. Maine does a couple of flakes. 48 rain comes back in on Monday. Rain on Tuesday. Some rain on Wednesday. Again, Tuesday we're back in the 50s, and finally on Thursday we're back down to highs in the 30s. Another Arctic outbreak late January, and we've got a narrow window for perhaps a little wet accumulating snow around the 6th of January.